Hey, it's Edo. Uh, just a real quick video on wiper blades for a '06 Mustang. If you'll notice, the passenger side is a 20-inch and the driver's side is a 22-inch. So just a thing to take note of when you're buying these things. And I'm going to show you how to do them real quick. You just take your wipers and just go ahead and put them up. If you'll rotate this up right here, there's a little tab right here. Just squeeze that tab, push down, and it comes right off. Install your new one. Just stick it in this slot right here, this little hook in that slot, and pull up on it, and it'll snap in place. And that is it. Just up at Firestone getting my tires rotated and balanced in a free alignment check. Of course, they always hit you with this stuff right here. You'll notice that the wiper blades here, they want $42.98. This is a really simple job to do. You can get these blades for $20 at Walmart, and anybody can do it. So just save yourself some money and do them yourself.